Hello there and welcome back. In this episode we make some metric flat bar into imperial flat bar. I'm trying to do a reasonably accurate job so that I can use these steel bars as guide rails for my table saw accessories. Here you can see the amount of play in the guide track that my current sled has. The wooden runner has quite a lot of wear, but the table saw has some wear at the top, but it's quite accurate near the bottom of the slot. So if I use a thicker guide rail, I should be able to get back to that good material. Some time ago, I bought a couple of meters of this 20 by 10 flat bar. This is the closest thing I can get locally to 3/4 by 3/8, which is what the original was. So I need to take almost a millimeter off the width, and I'm going to try and take it off in 2 equal amounts so that we don't get any internal stresses bending this thing into a banana shape. Well, I hope you guys don't mind seeing mistakes as well as the things that go smoothly. First of all, I dropped my nice little stone on the floor when I was deburring the part. So now I have two smaller stones. And secondly, although the guide bar came out the size I wanted it, within a couple of hundredths of a millimetre, which was amazing. I didn't expect it to be that good. It is actually still undersized for the slot. I probably should have aimed for 19.15, somewhere there. I ended up aiming for 19.05, and I still have play in the guide bar. So I've been experimenting with using a hammer and a makeshift anvil to spread the material, hammering it every 20 or 30 millimeters to spread it, using a file to knock off any high points on the sides where I've gone too far, and a bit of judicious positioning of hammer blows in order to straighten the workpiece out. It also wasn't dead straight when I'd finished with it. Anyway, you'll see a bit of that now, and I think we can get a better fit than I've got. Well, I'd rather not have taken a hammer and a file to that piece of steel, but at least it fits the slot now. And it's not going to change shape with the seasons, and it's not going to wear at the same rate as the wooden one. So that's going to last me a few years. Thanks for joining me, and see you in the next one.